This instruction is to provide you basic information on Zoom. In this page, you can see your profile information and the type of features that your account includes. By going to the billing page, you can always extend these features or cancel your subscriptions. Scheduling a meeting from the Zoom portal is possible from the Meetings tab. Here you can see all the previous meetings that you have held, as well as create a meeting template if you would like to save it for further meetings. You can find the recordings of your meetings in the Recording Cloud if you have previously selected this in the settings. In the Settings menu, you also have the opportunity to set the recordings to be saved on the local PC. Now, in order to schedule a new meeting, go to the Meetings tab and select Schedule a new meeting. You can change the topic of that meeting, prepare a description for the meeting, and choose the meeting template which you have previously created. In addition to this, you can set the date, time, and duration. You can also set this as a recurring meeting and change how often it will occur. You can set a password for the meeting, but in most cases this won't be necessary, as the attendees will receive both the meeting ID and password at the same time. There are few more settings for the video and audio, which you can always change at a later stage. In Meeting Options, make sure to enable the waiting room, and once you're done with all the settings, save your meeting. Once you've scheduled the meeting, you're able to add it into your Google, Outlook, or Yahoo Calendar. Or you can simply copy the invitation link so that you can share it with anyone that you would like to join in this session. You can now scroll down to the polls section. By clicking Add, you can open a blank poll. At this stage, open the corresponding Labsoft page in which you can find the questions and copy and paste them into your poll. Here you can select if this is a single choice or a multiple choice question. Repeat this for as many topics as you would like to cover in your session. Now that you have set up your meeting to your preferences, you can go to the settings and scroll down until you find the option Waiting Room. Here you can upload your own logo and write a description for the participants to read while they are waiting to be admitted to the meeting.